In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Shopify, a useful skill that can enhance your site's navigation and improve user experience with just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, creating anchor links can be a game changer in directing your customers to specific content on your site efficiently and effectively. First, let's head directly into the site editor. Once you're inside, take a moment to locate the specific piece of text you want to transform into an anchor link. This can be any portion of text on your page, such as headings, subheadings, or even specific words within a paragraph. Once you've identified your text, simply click on it to activate its editing settings. You'll notice these settings appearing conveniently on the right panel of your screen. In this right panel, you will see a text field available. The first thing you want to do is to highlight the exact text that you're planning to link. This is crucial because the link will only be applied to the portion of text you've highlighted. Now, keep an eye out for the chain icon. It might also look like a small link symbol. This icon is your gateway to inserting links directly onto the highlighted text. To add your anchor link, you can click on this chain icon. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation, simply press Ctrl and K simultaneously on your keyboard. Either method will open up a small input field where you can insert your desired link. Now it's time to paste the specific link or type it directly into this field. You can use a link to another section of your site or an external URL, depending on your needs. Once your link is correctly entered, go ahead and press Insert to finalize the process. Doing so effectively creates your anchor link and directs your audience precisely where you want them to go when they interact with the text. And there you have it. You've successfully added an anchor link within Shopify's site editor with just a few straightforward actions. This powerful feature can significantly optimize your website's ease of use and guide your customers toward key areas or information, providing a seamless browsing experience. That's all there is to it. Whether you're enhancing your website's internal navigation or making it easier for users to jump straight to relevant sections, using anchor links is a small-time investment that packs a big punch in terms of efficiency and utility. So dive in, try adding anchor links to your Shopify pages, and watch how they improve the flow and functionality of your site. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.